Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1971 Nova SS. It's fully documented and beautifully restored. Got the owner here of many years. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today?
Oh, good, Mike.
Yeah,
Very
nice
good.
to see you again. So tell us about this bad boy. 71, it's got a 350, right?
Yes.
Performance heads.
Yes, performance heads, mild cam. Motor was rebuilt.
Great. How long ago?
I'd say about 2.5 years ago.
Not many miles since though, right?
Right now it's short. Yeah, no, I'm lucky. I had this car for about 2 years, and lucky if I put 1,000 miles on it.
Wow. So there's not many miles on the motor really, huh?
No.
Some nice options. Power steering, power brakes. It's 4-speed.
4-speed, console gauges, factory Tach.
In the dash, which
In
is pretty
dash.
cool. This was an executive car?
This was built for an executive motors car for GM, and then it was sold to a company employee, which we have the bill of sale for that also. We have the Protecto Plate, and we have the factory build sheet.
Original GM company car, number 19. Very cool. Out of Indiana. Disc brakes and dash tack. Buckets, console, 12-bolt. Finished in rally red. Sitting on the correct rally wheels. Like brand new BF Goodwrench tires. Gorgeous paint. Chrome and stainless. It's gleaming.
All new glass too.
Yeah, all the felts and everything are beautiful.
The radio was changed. I put in a Bluetooth custom auto sound radio.
Cool. All the correct GM seat belts. Gorgeous, right down to the sills. Beautiful felts. Beautiful. Can you fire it up? A little chilly here today, guys. Electronic choke. Showing 85,884 miles. Working factory tap, which is pretty cool. I never really see that. Bluetooth stereo. It's called Vintage Sound. Even the clock works. Got the rally gauges. Also has USB and integrated phone charger for an iPhone. Runs nice, huh, Tony?
Yeah.
Beautiful dash. Got tons and tons of receipts on this car too. I think it totals around 75,000. Lots of receipts, right?
Yeah, it's like almost $75,000 in receipts.
Nice. Let's check out under the hood. Like I said, it's a little cold here today. Yeah, like it came out of the box. So what kind of horse do you have now that you have the performance heads on it?
I think it's pushing close to 350 horsepower right now.
Mm-hmm. The Delco battery cover, pretty cool. Power steering, power brakes. And you have the right shielding on the exhaust manifolds. Pretty cool. The motor is out of, it's a period correct motor, right? So it's a 70, 6970?
Yes.
Okay. 350.
It's a factory dated and correct dated motor for this car.
Okay. Cool. Gorgeous undercarriage and everything.
And it has electronic ignition also.
Electronic ignition. Electronic choke. Ready. Paint is gorgeous. We have a receipt for the paint. It was a little over $23,000, but just for the paint. We take it for a quick ride?
Yeah.
Really nice fitment of all the body panels as well. How nice the hood fits. Nice glass to go all the way around. I think you caught third gear. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give us a shout. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. And thanks again for showing us your car today.